shouldn't have opened that door.
Where are you, my darling? You can't run forever.
Most wives learn too late that love was never what he offered.
I didn't know it then, but my life ended the moment he chose me. His beard, his hair, that color. It isn't natural. They say it means he's cursed. What kind of life awaits me? No one smiled. They wouldn't look at me. At first, I thought they feared me. No one speaks. No one stays. No one helps. What was that? Did I hear something? My lord, last night, did you hear something?
Hear what?
Someone crying, screaming. I'm not sure.
Did you hear anything?
No, my lord. They're lying. I didn't imagine it. I really heard it. No one told me about this room.
You shouldn't be here. He won't like that.
Oh my God! What is going on here?
Who are you talking to?
The girl, my lord.
The girl was here. Where are you, my darling?
Please, help me. What am I going to do?
Where is she? That way, my lord.
They were never afraid of me. They were afraid of what he was going to do to me.